Alright, in this video we'll see what is accrued interest, how to calculate it, and finally how to calculate invoice price from flat price and accrued interest. Alright, so what you have here, we have some bond, XYZ bond, and some information related to this bond is given here. Like what is the quoted price? Quoted price is also known as flat price or the dirty price. In our case, that is $100 and 5. And what is the coupon payments per year? 2 times. This means that it is a semi-annual coupon paying bond. So we'll receive coupon payments 2 times in each year. The annual coupon rate is 8%. This implies that we'll receive 8% of the par value as coupon payment annually. That is $8. But since we'll be receiving coupon payments twice in each year, we'll receive 2 payments of $4 coupons. And then the settlement date, let's assume that settlement date is today. Settlement date is the date at which you actually get the bond. So, and also assume that today is 20 June 2019 and the last coupon payment was made for this bond at 20th April 2009. So some days have passed between the last coupon day and today. Now this is our timeline for the current year. So this is the year of 2019. Alright, the first date that we have is the 20th April. At this date the last coupon payment of $4 was made. Then we know that the coupon payments are made 2 times in each year, so we get 1 coupon payment in each 6 months. So if you calculate that, you'll see that the next coupon payment day will be 6 months after the last coupon payment day, so that is 20th October 2019. Now this is 20th June. This is the settlement date. This is today, where we go to the market and see that the quoted price for this bond is $105. Now let's assume that this bond belonged to someone named Joe. As you can see that to receive a $4 of coupon, you need to wait for 180 days, right? Yeah. But out of this 180 days, Joe had this bond for last 60 days. But you come later, you come at 20th June after 2 months, and then just wait for 120 days and you get the $4 coupon payment. Don't you think Joe should get some of this $4? His proportionate amount of share, because you didn't hold on to this bond for 180 days. That proportionate amount of coupon that Joe deserves is actually the accrued interest. So what we are saying, if someone holds on to this bond for 180 days, we are assuming here that every month has 30 days. So in 6 months there are 180 days. Alright, so if someone holds on to this bond for 180 days, he or she receives a coupon payment of $4. So if someone holds on to this bond for 1 day, he should receive 4 by $180, right? And since Joe had this bond for 60 days, for 60 days he should get this much amount of money out of this next coupon payment of $4. So to put all this more formally, this is the formula. Accrued interest is equal to the days since last coupon, that is 60 days, divided by total days between coupon payments, that is 180 days, multiplied by the coupon payment, the semi-annual coupon payment of $4. So all this equals to $1.33. All right, so when you buy this bond, you need to pay not only the flat price that is quoted, but also the accrued interest on this bond since the last coupon payment, and in our case that is $1.33. So at this with flat price, and the total invoice price is 106.33. This is the price that you will actually pay to buy this bond today. Alright, that was all for this video. See you in the next one.